Stop shouting over your air conditioner just to hear your own thoughts. We have all been there. It is the middle of July. The sun is beating down on the roof. Your old window unit is rattling so loud it feels like a freight train is passing through your bedroom. Most of us just accept this noise. It is the price we pay for not melting in the summer heat. But the landscape of home cooling is shifting in a big way. There is a new player in the window unit game that is turning heads. It promises something almost unheard of in this category. The secret sauce here is something called inverter technology. Most old school air conditioners work like a simple light switch. They're either blasting at full power or they're completely off. That constant jarring cycling on and off is why your lights flicker. It is why your ears ring. This newer system from the Q Series works more like an accelerator pedal on a car. It slows down and speeds up smoothly. This keeps the room at a perfectly consistent temperature. You do not get those annoying cold blasts followed by stagnant heat. It just stays comfortable. This smart approach to cooling also means it is incredibly quiet. We are talking about noise levels comparable to a quiet library. You can finally sleep through the night. No mechanical roar will wake you up every 20 minutes. One of the best parts is how it handles your window. Typically, once you put an air conditioner in, that window is useless until autumn. You cannot open it for a breeze. You cannot clean the glass. This specific design actually lets you use your window like a normal human being. You can slide it up and down while the unit stays secure in place. That is a massive win. It is perfect for anyone who hates feeling boxed in by their own appliances. They also claim it is way easier to install than the competition. They ship it with a frame that is already put together. This supposedly cuts your setup time in half. No more fumbling with a dozen tiny screws. No more worrying about a heavy machine teetering on the edge of a 3-story drop. On the efficiency side, you are looking at using about 35% less power. That is a huge chunk of change staying in your pocket. It is not going to the electric company. But we have to talk about the rough edges. No piece of tech is perfect. While the hardware is impressive, the software side can be a bit of a gamble. Some users find the mobile app frustrating. Getting it to stay connected to your home network can feel like a part-time job. This is especially true if your signal is weak. There are also reports of customer service being a bit of a maze. You have to weigh those potential headaches against the sheer comfort of a silent room. It is a bold move to step away from the legacy brands we all know. But if you value your sleep, this modern approach might just be the upgrade you need. It makes you wonder why we stayed with those loud, clunky boxes for so long. Better options are finally available. It is about reclaiming your peace and quiet. It keeps your power bill from exploding. You have to decide if the modern features outweigh the software bugs. Whether you want smart home integration or just want to save on monthly expenses, the options are getting a lot more interesting. The Q Series is a strong contender that challenges the old guard. It forces us to rethink what a window unit can actually do for our daily comfort.